What is going on, everyone? Mega here with a new bot tutorial video. Now, in this tutorial, we're actually not going to be working on the bot that we did that we've been working on up till now, because the what we're going to be doing in this tutorial is creating a webhook, which was a suggestion from a viewer in after my previous video. Now the reason why we're not doing this in our bot is because our bot is coded in Python, and webhooks are designed to work in their own particular bot, and so like there is no way we can add a webhook function into our bot. We have to just create a webhook, which is going to automatically create a bot that just for the webhook. And it's not that difficult to do. One thing to keep in mind when you're doing this, in order to make a webhook, you must have your own Discord server, and you must be an admin on that Discord server. If you have all of that, then we can continue on with the next part. Okay. So I'm in my Discord server right now, and so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to my server settings. I'm gonna go down to webhooks, and I'm gonna create a webhook. I'm gonna rename this. You can rename this to whatever you want. I'm actually gonna rename it myself, and I'm just gonna call it SpideyBot. A while back, I actually made a webhook, and I named it SpideyBot because that was the default name, and I actually liked it. So I'm gonna just keep it as that, and later I'm actually gonna like add a little Spider-Man profile pic right here. But you can name it whatever you want, and you can upload whatever image you want for the profile pic. And we're gonna set the channel to be for general. I'm not gonna upload a profile pic right now, and we're gonna copy the URL. Okay, and so next thing we need to do is that we need to go to a little website. So we're gonna go to iftttt.com, and we're gonna need to sign up. So I'm actually gonna do this off screen because I think I have an account, but I can't remember. I know I have an account, but I can't remember the login information. So I'm gonna do this off screen, and you can get yours set up too. If you already have an account, just sign in, but you need an account to continue. So I'll be back. Okay, and we're back, and so now that we're signed in, we're gonna go to my applets. We're gonna go to services, and I'm gonna create a new applet. And so we're gonna click on this, and so what we want to do is we want to search up YouTube. I'm gonna click connect. It's gonna ask me to connect my YouTube. Okay, and so now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna click on new public video uploaded by you. Then we're gonna click on that, which is the how we want the webhook to be sent, and we're gonna just like you can imagine, we're gonna click on webhooks. We're gonna click on make a web request, and the URL we copied, we're just gonna paste it, and that this is gonna connect the webhook to our bot For method, we're gonna change it to post. The content type, we're gonna change it to application/JSON. The reason for that is because it's bots, Discord, and like the webhooks are coded in JavaScript, and that's kind of why we can't add a webhook to our bot, because our bot is coded in Python. So there's like some inconsistencies there. And so for the body, it's gonna be a little bit tricky. So what we're gonna do is that in the body we're gonna type the curly brace, quotation marks, content, quotation marks, colons, another quotation marks, and this is gonna be whatever you want the bot to say. So I'm gonna do new uploaded video. Then we're gonna go down to add ingredient, and we're gonna do URL. And then we're just gonna close it off with the quotations and curly brace. And then you're just gonna click on create action. And we're gonna click finish. All right, and we're pretty much done. So anytime now, and anytime I upload a new video, it's gonna post the link to the video in the general channel of my server. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then as I mentioned in the previous tutorial, I'm actually out of bot commands. So any suggestions that you guys have, just shoot my way, and if I can make a tutorial on it, then I will make a tutorial on it. So yeah, this has been Mega, and I will see you again next time.